Today we are going to learn indices. What is called indices? Now look at this. A into A into A into A into A. I wrote A as repeated multiplication 5 times. So we can write this in indices form, A to the power 5. Then here this 5 is the index here. And this is the base. There is another name for index, power. And other name for this exponent. But in this indices, we are using base and index, these two names. The plural, this is the singular, index is the singular and the plural of index is the indices. Plural of index is the indices. Plural of index is indices. Now you can understand index of a number is mean how many times to use the number in multiplication says the index of a number. As an example, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 6 times repeat in here, so we can write 2 is the base and 6 is the index of this. We can write a number like this. Then this is called the, what is that? Expressing numbers in index form. Expressing in index form. Express the following in index form. Here 3, 4 times as repeated multiplication. So we can write 3 to the power 4. 2 is 6 times as repeated multiplication here. Then we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6. 3 is the base, 4 is the index. 2 is the base, 6 is the index. Then y 6 times repeating. So you can write here y to the power 6. Express as repeated multiplication. It means you have to expand this. X into X into X into X into X into X into X. X 7 times you have to repeat. 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power 6 here. Then 5 6 times you have to repeat. Then this is the expressing the number in index form. And this is the opposite way of this. Right? Index form number is here. And you have to write it as a repeated multiplication. Rules of indices. First rule, we are going to learn about multiplication of indices. Look at this one. X to the power 2 into X to the power 3. Here X to the power 2 is mean X 2 times repeated. X into X. X to the power 3 is mean X 3 times repeated. Then how many times altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write X to the power 5. Then can you see any relationship here? This 2 and this 3 and this 5? Yes, we can add these 2. Then we are getting this index. X to the power 2 plus 3 equals X to the power 5. Then our first rule is what? Then when two powers are multiplied, their indices can be added if they have the same base. Again I will tell it. When two powers are multiplied, their indices can be added if they have the same base. I will do another example. Then 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. Then we can use this rule. 2 5 times repeating, 2 3 times repeating. Instead of writing like this, we can write 2 base 5 plus 3, same bases. So we can add the indices. Answer 2 to the power 8. Rule number 1. A to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. This is the first rule of indices multiplication rule. So our first rule is this: a to the power m into a to the power n equal am plus n. Now according to this rule, just look at this sum. The here bases are different. A to the power 2, b to the power 2, a to the power 2, b to the power 2. They are different bases, but a and a same bases. So you can simplify same bases together here. A to the power 2 plus 2 into same bases b and b. b to the power 2 plus 2. Then you can write the answer here. A to the power 4, b to the power 4. Now let's do these two sums. This is p to the power 6, p to the power minus 5. So how can we do this? P is the base 6 plus minus 5. You can write here p to the power 6 plus into minus minus 5. P to the power 1 is mean p. P one time. Answer is p here. Now look at this one. Here you can see the numbers as well as indices. So we can write this 3 into a to the power 5 into 2 into a to the power 3. Then first we have to multiply the numbers and next add the indices. Then first multiply the numbers. 3 times 2, 6 into a to the power 5 plus a to the power 3. Write the answer here. 6 a to the power 8. If a situation like this, when multiply the numbers and add the indices.